What's the meaning of arboretum? Arboretum. Arboretum.
Arboretum. Arboretum. An arboretum is a place where trees, shrubs, and other woody plants are grown for scientific, educational, and ornamental purposes. Typically, an arboretum consists of a large collection of trees and plants from various species and geographical regions. The purpose of an arboretum is to study and observe the different varieties of trees and their growth patterns, as well as to promote conservation efforts. Arboretums can be found in university campuses, parks, and botanical gardens, and they serve as important resources for research, education, and recreation for both professionals and the general public.